Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set photos and videos to transfer in automatic or keep originals format on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So this is my iPhone device. So let us start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back again. So in order to set photos and videos to transfer in automatic or keep originals format on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to scroll down to photos. So let me go over there. So here I have this photos. So you have to tap on this to open it. Let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's opened. And after that guys you have to scroll down at the very bottom of this screen to this section, transfer to Mac or PC. You can see guys I have two options over here, automatic and keep originals. And also here I have this little message. Let's read that. Automatically transfer photos and videos in a compatible format, or always transfer the original file without checking for compatibility. So just go to the option that you want and then tap on it to select it. So currently I have this automatic option selected. You can see the check mark beside this. Okay. So suppose if I want to select this, keep originals, then I need to tap on it. So let me tap on this because I want to show you. And you can see I have this, option selected. So suppose if I, select this option automatic, let me tap on this. You can see it's selected. Okay, so it will automatically transfer photos and videos in a compatible format. And if I select this keep originals format, let me tap on this. Okay, you can see it's selected. So it will always transfer the original file without checking for compatibility. So just select the option that you want. I like set this to automatic. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. You can see the check mark beside this. After you're done guys, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.